Hey guys, welcome again. My name is Sailesh. You are watching my channel English Study. In this video, we will talk a very common question that comes in each and every students who lives in village, either he is girl and boy. So question is, I am a village girl, I am a village boy. Can I speak English? I lives in a remote village. I lives in a village where is no facilities, no school, no college, no institution. Can I speak English? If yes, then how? So in this video we will talk about this question. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Friends, if you want to speak English, but it doesn't matter where you belongs. If you are a city, still you can speak English, and if you are a city, then you can't speak English. And if you are a from village, then you can speak English. And if you are a from village, then it's not guarantee you can speak English. So it depends on you. If you want to speak English, then it depends on your practice. How much you will practice, so much your English will be improved, and so early you can speak English. So it only depends on your practice, and practice means you can do practice self. Recently we all are living in a multimedia era, and this time every student has a mobile, either he is a girl or boy. There is no students who has no multimedia mobile. So with the help of mobile we can speak English easily. So it doesn't matter you are from a village, so you can't speak English, and if you are from a city, so you can speak English. It doesn't matter, it is useless questions. So I am also from a village. I belongs to a village from remote village where is no facilities any type. My village has no schools, my village has no college, my village is very remote village. Still I can speak English. If I can do, so why you can't do? Why you can't speak English? So it doesn't matter, you start practice, and by practice you can speak English easily. And I have started my English journey from 2020 during lockdown. In lockdown I was sitting idle, and that time I thought that how I can do a special in this lockdown. So I started watching video on YouTube, and gradually I improved my English. I watched every day 2 3 4 videos, and note down materials what is provided in that video, and thus I improved my English speaking. But it is not enough. You have to practice a lot. You have to written something what you not know, and after writing you have to remember that, and after doing this you have to listen English speech. I listened one English speech every day, and doing this I started my English speaking journey self. I watched English cartoon, English movies, and English speech, and I note down many structures, English speaking structures. So I spent about 1 year in it, and then after I feel that I am good in English speaking. Still I can't speak English. In 2021 I can't speak English, but when I entered in 2022 I started speaking. Although my English is no better in 2020, but I didn't left my practice. I kept on my practice, and gradually my English will be improved. So if I can improve speaking English with mobile, so even you can improve your English speaking journey from mobile. So it doesn't matter if you are from a village, so you can't speak English. Friends, you start speaking, you listen English speech, you watch movies, you improve your vocab, and you start watching videos available on YouTube. Even you can watch my channel. I have made lots of video on English structures, basic structure, advanced structure, and basic grammars. So even you can watch my video, you can visit my channel. Okay, so English speaking is very easy if you give time continuously. So it is very easy, but if you are irregularly, so it is very difficult and it is impossible for you. So you have to remain regular in it. You have to watch, you have to listen, you have to note down something, you have to remember word meaning, and you have to start speaking. Initially you can't speak English, but you try. Before speaking English, you watch English cartoon, English story, and doing this you can start speaking English. And here is an app. You can even use this app for speaking English. Here are very beginners and they are strangers, so you can speak easily with them. So you try this app and start your speaking journey.